Space, the final frontier. Inaccessible to most, but things are about to change. The skies are filled with satellites, the International Space Station being just one of over 3,000 spacecraft circling the Earth. Many of these are in low Earth orbit, meaning that they have a higher velocity than the rotation of the Earth and show up in different places at different times. Some of these satellites transmit radio signals that anyone on Earth can pick up. With the use of an inexpensive SDR receiver connected to your computer, you can receive almost any signal and record it for later processing and decoding. Knowing where and when to point the antenna can be difficult. It used to require large and expensive equipment like this satellite dish. But now a new commercial product developed by myself changes everything. This is my satellite tracker antenna being built. Satellites. Most of the parts are printed. I've connected, not connected, but I've mounted all the motors, and there's a limit switch, the red one you can see, that keeps the antenna in the right position so it doesn't turn too far.